What up, hello guys from YouTube. This is Top Gun 1997 here. Computer problems again. Bad. You'll see as it starts up. You'll see as it's starting up. Usual, and then boom. It says it's configuring updates, 0% complete. And shutting down. It's been doing this for 3 hours. I want to know if you guys could help. Please help. Thank you.